Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 10 reasons why your car might be guzzling more fuel than it should. Stick around because we're going to uncover some real gas-saving gold here and help you keep your car running efficiently.
All right, let's kick things off with aggressive driving, slamming on the accelerator, weaving through traffic, and hitting the brakes hard. It's murdering your fuel economy. Every time you stomp on that gas pedal, your engine works overtime, guzzling fuel. Hard braking turns kinetic energy into wasted heat. Try accelerating gradually and anticipating stops to coast to a halt. Think of it like sipping a fine wine. You savor it and get the most out of the experience. So next time you're behind the wheel, channel your inner chauffeur and drive with finesse. Your fuel tank and your passengers will appreciate it.
Let's move on to engine maintenance. It's a crucial aspect that often gets overlooked, but can significantly impact your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Even if you're not a gearhead, basic maintenance can make a world of difference in your fuel efficiency. Simple tasks like checking your oil, replacing filters, and ensuring your tires are properly inflated can save you a lot of money at the pump. First up, the air filter. Think of it like your car's lungs. Just as you need clean air to breathe easily, your car needs a clean air filter to run efficiently. A dirty air filter chokes your engine, forcing it to work harder and burn more fuel. Over time, this can lead to decreased performance and increased emissions, which is bad for both your wallet and the environment. Replacing an air filter is usually a simple DIY job or a quick fix at a mechanic. It's one of those small tasks that can have a big impact on your car's health and efficiency. Next, spark plugs. They ignite the air-fuel mixture in your engine's cylinders. Think of them as the tiny but mighty components that keep your engine running smoothly. Worn-out spark plugs lead to incomplete combustion and wasted fuel. This not only reduces your car's performance, but also increases your fuel consumption, making your trips to the gas station more frequent. Lastly, fuel injectors. They spray the right amount of fuel into the engine. They need to be clean and functioning properly to ensure your engine gets the right mix of air and fuel. Clogged injectors disrupt the spray pattern and mess with your engine's performance. This can lead to poor fuel economy and even engine damage if left unchecked. Regular servicing is like giving your car a spa day. It'll run smoother, happier, and more efficiently. Think of it as an investment in your car's future, ensuring it remains reliable and economical for years to come. So don't skip those maintenance appointments. Your car and your wallet will thank you.
Now, let's talk about tire pressure. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, putting a strain on your engine. Keeping your tires inflated to the proper pressure is like giving your car a free performance boost. Invest in a good tire pressure gauge for peace of mind and potential fuel savings. Properly inflated tires save you money at the pump and improve handling, braking, and tire lifespan. It's a win-win-win situation. Remember, those 4 rubber donuts play a bigger role in fuel economy than you might think. Using our cars as mobile storage units adds extra weight and takes a toll on fuel economy. Many of us are guilty of treating our vehicles like second homes, filling them with everything from gym bags to old clothes and even forgotten groceries. The heavier your car, the more energy it takes to get it moving and keep it going. This means more fuel consumption, which not only affects your wallet but also has a significant impact on the environment. Take a good look around your car and see what you can do without. Start by checking the trunk, the back seat, and even the glove compartment. You might be surprised at how much unnecessary weight you're carrying around. That box of old textbooks in the trunk, gone. Those books have been sitting there for months, maybe even years, and they're just dead weight at this point. That bag of golf clubs you haven't touched in a year, out of here. If you're not using them regularly, they don't need to be in your car. A lighter car saves you fuel and can improve handling and braking. When your car is lighter, it's easier to maneuver and you'll notice a smoother ride. Do yourself and your wallet a favor and lighten the load. Not only will you save money on gas, but you'll also reduce wear and tear on your vehicle, potentially saving on maintenance costs in the long run. Your car will thank you for it in the long run. A well-maintained lighter car is not just more efficient, but also more enjoyable to drive. So take a few minutes to declutter and see the difference it makes. Consider finding a dedicated space in your home or garage for items you don't need to carry around daily. This way you can keep your car clutter-free and still have easy access to your belongings when you need them. Make a checklist of essential items that should stay in your car, like emergency kits and necessary tools. Everything else can find a new home outside your vehicle. Enjoy the benefits of a lighter, more efficient car. Not only will you feel better driving it, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment by reducing your carbon footprint.
We're talking about aerodynamics, how easily your car can move through the air. The faster you go, the more resistance the air puts up against your car. Roof racks, bike carriers, and cargo boxes create drag, holding your car back and forcing your engine to work harder. Even driving with your windows down can disrupt airflow and increase drag. The more streamlined your car, the less drag it'll encounter and the less fuel it'll burn. Ditch the unnecessary accessories and embrace the sleekness. Your fuel tank will thank you.
City driving with its constant stop-and-go traffic is the ultimate fuel economy killer. Every time you accelerate from a stoplight, your engine works overtime, guzzling fuel. Highway driving, on the other hand, is where your car can really stretch its legs and sip on that fuel. At a steady cruising speed, your engine doesn't have to work nearly as hard. Plan your trips to avoid heavy traffic areas whenever possible. Combine errands and knock them all out in one highway trip. It's a win-win.
Using low-quality fuel or fuel with a lower octane rating than your car's manufacturer recommends can cost you more in the long run. Lower octane fuel can lead to engine knocking, reducing performance and potentially damaging your engine. Using the recommended grade of fuel ensures that your engine runs as efficiently as possible. Next time you're at the pump, treat your car to the good stuff. Your engine will thank you. Better fuel economy starts with the right fuel.
The air conditioner, a lifesaver on scorching summer days, but also a fuel guzzler. When the sun is blazing and the temperature inside your car feels like an oven, the first instinct is to crank up the AC. But did you know that this comfort comes at a cost? The AC system in your car can significantly impact your fuel consumption. Cranking up the AC on full blast can put a serious dent in your fuel economy. Studies have shown that using the air conditioner can reduce your car's fuel efficiency by up to 25%. This means more frequent trips to the gas station and more money spent on fuel. It's a trade-off between comfort and cost. Try not to blast the AC as soon as you get in the car. When you enter a hot car, the interior temperature can be much higher than the outside temperature. Blasting the AC immediately forces it to work harder to cool down the car, which uses more fuel. Roll down the windows for a few minutes to let out the hot air, then turn on the AC at a moderate setting. This simple step can make a big difference. By allowing the hot air to escape, the AC doesn't have to work as hard, which can save fuel and cool the car more efficiently. Using the recirculate function can help cool your car faster and reduce the AC's workload. When you set your AC to recirculate, it reuses the already cooled air inside the car instead of pulling in hot air from outside. This makes the cooling process quicker and less demanding on your car's engine. Be mindful of your AC usage and stay cool without breaking the bank. Adjust the temperature to a comfortable level rather than the coldest setting. This not only saves fuel, but also prevents the AC from overworking. Every little bit helps when it comes to saving fuel. Small adjustments in how you use your car's air conditioning can lead to significant savings over time. So, the next time you're tempted to blast the AC, remember these tips and enjoy a cooler ride without the extra cost.
We're talking about your car's transmission, the system that transfers power from the engine to the wheels. A faulty transmission can wreak havoc on your fuel economy. One common problem is low fluid level. Over time, this fluid can break down or leak, leading to reduced efficiency and potential damage. Another common culprit is a slipping transmission. If you notice any strange noises, vibrations, or slipping when shifting gears, get your transmission checked out by a qualified mechanic ASAP. Ignoring these signs can lead to costly repairs down the line. Keep your transmission in good shape for better fuel economy.
Speed kills fuel economy. The faster you go, the harder your engine has to work to overcome wind resistance. Driving at 70 miles per hour consumes significantly more fuel than driving at 55 miles per hour. Be mindful of your speed and resist the urge to push it to the limit. A little bit of restraint can go a long way in saving you money at the pump. So there you have it, 10 common reasons why your car might be guzzling more fuel than it should. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more car-related content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Until next time, drive safe and keep those tanks full.